Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can scan my QR code in WeChat. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, all you gotta do is simply open up your WeChat right over there. And once you open up your app, then you simply have to go and sign in. Go and enter your mobile number, tap on this accept and continue, and then you will have to enter your password. And there we go, you will successfully be able to get signed into your account. Now once you are signed in, go ahead, tap on your account, which will be at the bottom right corner, the option. Go ahead, tap on it, and once you go to the settings sections at the bottom, you will find this option of my QR code or scan my QR code option. Go ahead, tap on that. It will simply give you the QR code of your ID. You can let it get scanned. Once it has been scanned, it will simply share your account information like your username, and they will simply be able to find you out like that at once. So that's basically how you will be able to scan your QR code on WeChat. So that is basically it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.